So today I wanted to talk about Mirepoix, what it is, what it can be used for, and why it's so amazing. So let's start off with some Wikipedia. A mirepoix is a flavor base made from diced vegetables cooked, usually with butter, oil, or other fat. It is a long-standing cooking technique in French cuisine. So mirepoix dates back all the way to the 11th century. It originated in France and is the basis for many soups, sauces, stocks. You can use the mix of mirepoix, which is onion, celery, and carrot, to start off just about anything. In our specific instance, we are preserving food and we are preserving basic foods. So we have a lot of rice and beans and dried vegetables, canned vegetables, everything in its individual parts. Mirepoix would be a great dehydrated addition for us because you can take something very bland like a bowl of blank white rice and add mirepoix and have a very tasty dish. It is a very basic, very common mixture. You can use it in just about anything. Are you starting spaghetti sauce? Mirepoix. Are you starting a broth? Mirepoix. Are you starting a roast? Mirepoix. It's excellent. You can use it in so many different ways. You can also add to it, you can add spices like parsley or oregano or whatever your favorite thing is, dill, thyme. You can add mushrooms, you can add parsnips instead of carrots to make a white sauce, wine. It's incredibly diverse. You can look up mirepoix-based recipes online and find an endless plethora of ideas, starting just from those three very basic ingredients. So I'm going to be doing a video on dehydrating mirepoix, and then we will make a recipe with it. So thanks for joining me. I hope you learned something today, and I look forward to sharing those videos with you because mirepoix is excellent. It's a tremendous part of my life. I worked in some kitchens in my previous years, and I cannot tell you what amount of stuff I learned, but one of the things that was the best, that stuck with me the longest, was mirepoix. So I'm very happy to share. I'm sure most of you know all about this, but I'm putting this out there for the couple of you that don't. If you've never heard of a mirepoix or never seen it used or no idea about it at all, wow, your life is about to get exciting cooking wise. So I hope you enjoy, and thanks for joining me. Peace out. No.